Ryerson Unmanned Aerial Vehicles is a growing company that creates customized robotic solutions for a multitude of applications from law enforcement to agricultural inspections. With expertise in engineering design and manufacturing, RUAV provides a superior and reliable product that meets the customer's needs. With the aid of CAM and CAD software, RUAV utilizes the latest manufacturing technology, such as CNC machining and rapid prototyping with 3D printers. In addition to our services, RUAV also gives back to the surrounding community by engaging young minds on the new, exciting, and innovative ways that UAVs are changing the world around us. We pride ourselves on teamwork and inter-collaboration between a multitude of engineering disciplines to deliver you the best solution to your problem.
So mission description, rapid response times and the ability to travel routes and distances that are not conveniently accessed by conventional methods make unmanned aerial systems a promising medical delivery method. Applications of unmanned aerial systems for medical delivery include shuttling biological samples between facilities, delivering medication to the homes and hospital rooms for patients, and reaching individuals in need of life-saving medical attention sooner than an ambulance can. The possibilities of UASs provide to the future of healthcare industry the potential to save time and save lives quickly. And so today what we're doing is we're simulating a situation in which we would be picking up medical supplies, because medical supplies is usually quite value dense. Like a blood bag is actually quite valuable and it doesn't weigh a lot, but it is very time sensitive. You can't just put it in a fridge for a long time. It has to be delivered quickly. So assuming we have medical supplies or a vaccination, for instance, that we need to shuttle to remote location. This is what we're simulating. So we're picking up packages of medical supplies in a depot, and so the depot is going to be located over there. We'll show you around. We'll show you what the depot looks like. Over there, we're going to have a depot set up. It's going to be that tent. I don't know if is that camera showing up on the live stream? That camera right there? No, not at all. Okay. Well, in which case, when we do go around to showing you the various different locations and whatnot, the depot is going to be that direction, and the clinics are going to be over there, and so that'll enable you to know, point A to point B, etc. What else do we got here? Yeah, I'd like to thank SIF for their continued support of our team. Student Initiative Fund, or SIF program here at Ryerson, provides seed funding to student-led initiatives. Without their support, this event would not be possible. Alrighty. Okay. So I'm thinking, so we're gonna have to get the tent out before we start flying. I can do some interviews with members of the team in the meantime.
Sure.
These guys are still flying. We got Alex, Rebel, Kevin, and Mang. Eric is not here today. I'm the interviewer, Brian, Jeremy. Okay, well, let's start with Jeremy because you're right here.
Yeah.
So can the camera see you? Is all good?
No. Do you want to just turn it a little bit?
Sure. So Jeremy is running our live stream today.
Turn the middle. Okay.
It doesn't turn.
The toppy bit. It's fine.
Okay, it barely turns. It's very tough.
Okay.
The screen here is black. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That should be fine. Yeah.
Ah, I see myself. So, and is the mic picking me up? How do we know?
This audio input line here.
All right. Testing. I don't see it jumping very much.
It's enough.
It's enough? Okay.
A little bit just to be safe.
Alrighty, Eric. So, sorry, Jeremy. So you're going to be the assistant captain next year, something like that?
Something like that, yeah.
Something like
Mechanical lead, mechatronics lead.
Very
Title
nice.
to be determined.
To be determined. And so you're representing the next wave of students coming in. So every year we're getting new students joining our club, and this year is a special year because we have so many members leaving. Here in the background, you can see we have me. I'm not going to be here next year. I'm graduated. Same with Kevin and Rebel. And so because a lot of us are graduating, there's always new positions available. So for the students watching that want to be joining our team next year, this is a great opportunity because we are definitely looking for people with an interest and a dedication to drones first and foremost, because as long as you have that initiative, as long as you have the drive to learn about drones, learning about them is a lot easier when you have that motivation. So you're running the live stream right now, and they can hear you.
Yep.
You're gonna commentate now and then, I'm assuming. So if you guys hear his voice.
Now and then when the time arises.
When the time arises.
You'll see some swapping feeds. So we'll have feeds coming in from each of our drones, as well as a zoom lens camera that'll be following some of the drones. We'll also have Brian, who is currently operating our camera, who's going to be walking around with a phone gimbal to show some concepts of the package pickup and delivery, who may also commentate if he feels so inclined at some point in the future.
Alright, great. So, might as well go talk let's see. Let's go talk to Rebel next, and I'll bring him over.
Sounds good.
Are you going to switch feeds to...
Do you want to just rotate that camera and we can do the interviews over there?
Not sure. Hey Rebel, you want to do an interview? I guess. Okay. How's the audio? Is the GoPro picking up audio, or is it just your microphone?
Let me just flip this around. Sorry for
Hello. What is your role in RUAV?
I'm Rubel Ephraim, and I'm the engineering lead of the Ryerson UAV team.
Awesome. And what program and year are you in at Ryerson?
I'm in my 4th year, and I'm in mechatronic engineering.
Nice. And how long have you been in the team?
Since 1st year, actually. Yeah, I've been here for all 4 years.
And what got you interested in the team?
I've already been interested in drones beforehand, and it just kind of felt like a perfect fit to just join this team and kind of take over a little bit.
And what has been your greatest learning experience with the team?
Testing, learning the value of testing, and that even when you think everything's going to go right, it might not. So you need to kind of beat it up and just constantly test until all the problems have revealed themselves, really.
Yeah, I definitely relate. We've been testing quite a bit.
Yeah.
And, working out all those kinks, all the teething issues.
Yeah.
So that's a lesson for anyone who's going into engineering is gotta just keep on testing and testing and testing.
Coming to the field weekly, it pays off.
Pays off. And we'll see how well it pays off, but we think it'll pay off.
Yeah.
So what accomplishments are you proud of having worked with RUAV?
Finally getting a VTOL to work. As far as I know, we've never had a VTOL at this competition.
Well, let's spell it out for the new students that are joining. So a VTOL stands for vertical takeoff and landing.
Yeah.
And one of the drones that we're going to have flying later today, the drone that is going to be flying for distance is a vertical takeoff and landing drone. And its advantage, if you might know this, is that because it's fixed wing, it's much more efficient than forward flying. And because it has a quad frame built into it, it can take off vertically without the need of a runway or much space at all.
Mm-hmm.
And so what were the challenges with that? And
mainly transition, mainly getting that to work out properly to maintain level and to not just go crazy instantly. So yeah, it took a lot of trial and error and simulations, and eventually we got it working pretty reliably. So pretty happy with that.
And we're going to show off the results to you today.
Yeah.
In probably around 3 hours roughly speaking, depending on how things go.
We should get going pretty soon here, but we have to wait for the runway to be cleared. We're at an airfield right now, and there's other people flying, so have to be respectful, but also this competition, so.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, thank you very much, and we'll probably hear from you again.
Alrighty.
If you guys see the pilot in the background, that is Rebel flying those unmanned aerial vehicles. Alright, next up we have Kevin right next to us.
I think we're actually ready to set up the tent.
Okay then. I see Mang's still doing the tape, but that's fine. Okay. So we're gonna set up the tent now. We're gonna cut some interviews.
Or should I do interview while you guys set up? You have enough people?
Go ahead and interview.
All right, cool. Never mind. Here we are.
Hello, Kevin.
Hello, Peter.
How are you doing?
A little terrified.
So what's your role in RUAV?
I handle everything that doesn't fly. So the ability for the drone to move around on the ground and the ability for it to pick up boxes.
Great.
Yes.
What program and year are you in at Ryerson?
So I am a part-time student, but I've basically finished all of my engineering stuff, electrical. If you count years, it's 6 now, but one was an internship, math.
Yeah. Okay. So what got you interested in the team?
Well, I've always really liked electronics, but after a while, they all just kind of sit there and compute stuff. Once you put your electronics on a plane, so much more can go wrong, and it's so much more interesting.
And what has been your greatest learning experience with the team?
How to manage a project. So, because I'm on my way out, I gave some of my tasks to first year students, and so I have to they don't know the whole picture, so I have to kind of tell them what they need to do, but then of course I will leave out something critical that is obvious to me, and then that's wastes a whole lot of time, and just learning how to do that kind of thing. Really helpful.
And what accomplishments are you proud of having worked with RUAV?
So everything. It's just been a wonderful experience. But if I had to pick one, it would probably be the arm grabber system on the VTOL. Because we have to lug around quad motor parts and actual airplane parts, gives us very little overhead for driving and grabbing parts. So I like converted the hood into a part of the arm and like carbon fiber rods. You'll see the whole thing on the video later, but it is very lightweight. Struggle.
Alrighty. And what would you say to someone interested in joining RUAV?
If you want a challenge, do it. Yeah, you don't have to take on the world. You can just take on small tasks. And it's one of the best clubs I've seen at Ryerson.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Those were the questions. Thank you very much, Kevin. So, over there we have the tent being installed.
Alright, Brian, do you want to walk over and watch them do that with the gimbal?
20% battery.
Oh, sorry?
We're at 20% battery right now.
Okay.
We have battery packs, right?
Yeah, we have battery packs, so
Go
we should be
over
good.
the season data, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just come back at about like 8% or something, okay?
We got ourselves a little tent here. Now we can't peg it down because we're on tarmac, but we got weights we're going to shove in here to keep the whole thing down. It's so low like this to keep the wind from blowing it away. That was a little bit of an issue with testing. We should be good. It should be clear that there's one entrance. And yeah, so that's our tent box in there. It's going to be great. Great for QR code scanning. Don't mind me. Two, and three, all oriented according to. And our tent is at 75 meters from the outside wall of Clinic 1. So just that after on the board. We'll grab those later. Yeah.
So we did a few interviews. I don't think so. Hey Jeremy, are we on mic right now?
Yeah, we have mic on.
Okay.
So, Brian, you're good. To attach the battery pack, it should be over there on the... So, first now?
Yep.
Oh, this works.
So we did.
Use whatever, yeah. I don't know how this is gonna work.
I'm good. Yeah, we did that before. We talked about it. So when we're about. Yeah. Well, Rebel is the one who did the strength of the force. Get that.
I'm just gonna kind of go. Just gonna have to drop the gimbal. Take that to the main to put in this password. Okay. And just drop the gimbal for now. Alex, do you wanna start doing the zoom camera? Alright, so now we're going to transition to our zoom camera and double B feed.
Like do that back wall. Back wall. Back wall. Little red blinky record buttons. Sorry? Check the camera. See if it's the little blinky red record button on the screen. Oh, yeah, the screen. Yeah. All right, it's ready. It's recording. Meaning. And it's all good.
It's good.
Dimensions. take a look at it like we thought we were going to use it. Okay, we're good. Okay, official wing. Here we go. Teamwork. Is it? Oh, yes. We're hair under. Oh, like 20 grams? Yeah, like 20 grams. Yeah, removing that tape was a good thing. Okay. All right. Robert, which way do you want it facing? That's fine for now. Cool. Now we're going to attach it to our...
Demonstrate is the audio so right now we're going to demonstrate the failsafe of double B. Actually, we need to have double B in the double B. I mean, I guess it's alright, so over here we have telemetry. Is this working? So we have vehicle arm. Radio. The vehicle goes into auto lands and disarms, and it descends at 14 meters per second, so it will reach the ground within 5 seconds. You want to show the parameter here in the. I mean, yeah, after it lands, it switches into stabilize. So, but yeah, it does say there no RC receiver and failsafe. It's kind of hard to see. A lot of glare. A lot of glare, but you trust us. Yeah, we can send you the logs. Do it again. Do the test again. Just I'm looking at that. I mean, you saw it. It turned off. So. Do it again, though. Let's just do it again. And this time, bring the camera over here and look at the. Hopefully, less glare this time because it's. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you want to focus on the screen. All right, ready? Awesome. The vehicle's arms, the propellers are rotating, it's powering off the system. There you go. And disarm failsafe, no RC receiver, and the rotors are off. And then if this was in the air, you'll go into land mode, correct? Yep. And then the descent rate is 14 meters per second. 14 meters per second. Okay. Ready? You sure you don't want to show the parameter? It doesn't show up on the thing. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next. Next, we do the boxes. Visual envelope time. It was right here. There, right at the bottom. So you want to make sure you're capturing in front of the GoPro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You spin the GoPro. Just put it here. Oh yeah.
Closer, like right here.
So this is the
and then tilt down.
Field, insurance. Captured. And then we have also this is our pilot advanced remote pilot remotely operated pilot system. Alright, so with the wind, demonstrated the flight termination system, demonstrated the plan, we're going to do QR code attachment. Now we're going for QR code attachment, I'm assuming?
Okay, good.
You're going to do the honors?
No.
No.
Captain?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have a knife or something?
Jeremy, where's Jeremy? I want to make sure this is captain.
Checking on
I can hear the audio coming through the stream, and I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we're good.
Kind of.
Maybe a bit lower, like here. Yeah, it's the scan.
Yep.
Jeremy's running.
Don't trip.
Hey, just confirm it.
Yep, we're good.
So, you don't open the wall.
Don't cut yourself.
Closer. So we got task 1,
Task 2.
oh nice, they're on stickers.
Here are
Here are the bonus ones. Okay, so
We need task 4, task 1, and then the 4 bonus.
Sorry, task
Sorry,
2.
task 2.
alright, so here they are. So it's ground person, ground system person.
Oh God.
It should be pretty easy because they're all sticking. Tell us if you need help.
This one has 2 tasks to review. Paper stickers. Yeah. Alright, that's one. Wait, task 2.
Wait, task 2, not task 1.
Yeah, let Kevin do
Stickers. Here are the bonus ones. Okay, so
We need task 4, task 1, and then the 4 bonus. Sorry, task 2.
here they are. So it's ground person, ground system person. One QR code aside.
So as soon as these boxes are placed, we're going to start the flight.
Task 2, not task 1.
Least stressful part.
Okay. Can we get ready for flying? Is going to start placing these for the flight windows into the coach. Okay, perfect. We're done. You're the chair.
Umang, yell when it's done, okay? When the last one is placed, you yell, okay?
Or use your walkie.
You have to leave that though. You have to be out of there.
Oh, here's the next one.
Consistent person.
So as soon as these boxes are placed, we're going to start the flight. Okay. Can we get ready for flying? Bang's going to start placing this for the flight window as soon as we're placed. Okay, perfect. You're very true.
Bang, yell when it's done, okay? When the last one is placed, you yell, okay?
Or use your walkie.
You have to leave there though. You have to be out of there.
Alright, all good. Over.
Ready for Bang's going to start placing this for the flight window as soon as we're placed.
Everyone's off the field. Alright, subsystem.
Bang, yell when it's done, okay?
Go.
When the last one is placed, you yell, okay?
Or use your walkie.
Telemetry is good. Alright, all good. Over. So I'm gonna go left to right, and then I'll come up right to left.
No, yeah. Tell me spot 1 clinic what? Spot 2 clinic what?
First one red, clinic 1.
Spot 1 clinic 1?
Alright, subsystem.
Bang, yell when it's done, okay? When the last one is placed, you yell, okay?
Or use your walkie.
Okay, I'll do the math for you then.
First one red, which is going to spot 4. Is clinic 1.
Gotcha. Spot 4 clinic 1.
Second one red, which is going into spot 3, is clinic 2.
Okay, spot 3 clinic 2.
Third one red, which is going into spot 2, is clinic 1.
Spot 2 clinic 1.
Fourth one, back. Clinic 3.
Spot 1 clinic 3.
Correct. Alright, switching to view log. location 3. Out. Switching camera 1. Dropping in position. Looks good. Drop off confirmed. Auto return home. Sweet. Switching to drive mode. Switching camera. Switching to box location 4. Clean up. There we go. Alright. Pickup. Box grab. Switching cameras. Dropping off in location 4. 6 minutes, almost 7 minutes in. Auto rotating.
Try that to see if we can.
Yep, switching to drive mode. Backing out. Belt, I'm going to put you around the side of the tent. Yeah, closer to the right side. Perfect. A little close to that 10 mile mark, but let's find that out.
Okay, which direction is it facing?
It's facing down the runway. Alright,
Gotcha, yeah.
switching off drive system. Roll you up and go.
Yaw is aligned. It's aligned with normal.
Yeah, pick up.
Yeah, good for takeoff.
Arming. Wind, a little bit of wind. Awesome.
So clinic 1 is spot 2 and spot 4.
Roger that.
Assuming you're next to clinic 1?
Yes, I am.
Right.
As I said, now. Camera feed. Alright, which location?
Spot 2.
Spot 2. Drop off mode. Activate.
Brian's walking out now. Okay. So what you doing? This I assume, and then the camera, right? So Brian's here and this there? So?
You want to drive?
Yep. Switching to drive mode. Reminder. Near-ish. Back to drop off.
Spot 4.
Scanning the QR code. Right. That's clinic 2. That's correct. Okay, that's clinic 3. So that's correct.
Sat count is good. You can. That's good. Good to take off. Arming. Across the field, Alex is there.
Yeah, it's 10. We're good now. You're good to take off. We're clear. Alright. Go. Bonus box time. It's the wing. Push me closer. Roger that. It wobbled right at the end. Switching. We're back. I'm just switching to HD. Okay, drive on niggle, signal strength good. Safety switch off. QR code scan on. Okay, I'm gonna be reading from the left to the right. So the first one I tell you will be going into spot 4. Clinic 3.
Spot 4, clinic 3.
When I turn. Clinic 2.
Spot 3, clinic 2.
Correct. Third one red, going to spot 2, clinic 1.
Spot 2, clinic 1. What? Spot 2, clinic 1?
Yeah. Yes. And the last one, which I managed to turn 90 degrees. Spot 1, fourth one red, clinic 3.
Spot 1, clinic 3.
Alright, now time to pick up these suckers. Switching to analog feed. Switching to secondary camera. Still in drive mode. Switching to pick up. Nope. Drop. Go over. There we go. Drive correct. Okay.
Backing out.
Set count 16. 16 enough?
Satellite?
Yeah.
You need like 7 for a lot.
Technically, you can do it with like 2 and some tricky math. 3 is like nice. Yeah, only 2 if you need to know if you're on where you are on the
Okay,
ground.
everyone's clear off the runway. Telemetry is good. Tell me what direction you're facing when you're
Down the runway right now.
Yeah, down the runway.
Okay, yeah, we all line.
Okay, turning off my system.
Okay, ready to go.
Arming.
Good to take off.
And we're off. A little wobbly, but the wobble worked out in the end.
Okay, clinic 1, spot 2.
Roger that. Which clinic has 2?
Clinic 1, spot 2. There, clinic 3 has 2 boxes. Yeah.
Roger that. Alright, so spot 2 you said.
Yeah.
Alright, switch your camera.
We're at 21 minutes, 22 minutes.
Okay. Grabbing box from spot 2. Up. Rotating. Drop down. Box drop. Switching drive. On my little ring.
Time is 22 minutes, 30 seconds.
Box not quite working. The feed I was doing some that. Or,
Just a little this one.
Alright, clinic 2.
Clinic 2 is spot 3.
Spot 3, clinic 2, draw box. Which way? Okay, that's correct.
Don't forget to scan. Scan clinic 1 to make sure that the box is correct. You already did that?
Did they already do it?
I checked it. It's correct. Over. Thank you.
Clinic 3, spot 4.
Isn't it 2 of them?
Yep.
Okay, spot 4 first. Everything's under. That's clinic 3, which is correct. That's clinic 3, that is correct as well. Oh, it's probably a uneven ground.
Are you aligned with the runway, Kevin?
Yeah.
There's like 10 degrees offset. It should be good.
Left or right?
To the left.
The left?
Okay. Should be good. Yeah, it's on 10. Okay.
Good?
Yeah, good. Good to go. Definitely beyond visual. There's a tarp and there's a gun. Focus on it.
Nice. Alright, system back up. Switching to digital. Turning on QR scanner, drive mode, waiting for the picture good, safety off, driving. So we're going to be going from the right to the left. First box will be the fourth one I pick up. Alright, first box is Clinic 2, going into spot 4.
Spot 4, Clinic 2.
Box location 3, second one scanned, Clinic 1.
Spot 3, Clinic 1.
Clinic 3.
Spot 2, Clinic 3.
Correct. Clinic 1.
Spot 1, Clinic 1.
Confirmed. Confirmed. Okay, switching to picking up boxes. Turning off.
Time is 30 minutes.
Switching to analog camera feed. Waiting for picture. Confirmed. Scanner on. Box. Alright, I'm just going to confirm that I'm actually. Okay, so we go off there. Okay, picking up box, going to location 1. Camera. Neutral. Confirm. Drive. Switch camera. Box. Pin light. Lattice in the box.
Yo. You can radio Brian to move in.
Yeah, hey, Sam.
No, you can move in.
Yeah. Brian, you can get into the tent a little bit more to show things off if you want.
Oh.
We do have a camera actually in there.
Yeah, but for the live stream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, about our fans. All the fans.
Focus. You got this.
Alright, alignment. Fine. Box.
You want to go over to him so he has a radio? So I can plug it back with our show. No, you go over to him so he has a radio.
Stop making him sing. Go over.
Okay, this is the fourth one. Good.
It's the third one. It's the
No, this is the second box.
Oh, second.
Nope. I'm the one. Oh wait, is it?
Yeah, focus. Yeah, it's there's 2 boxes left. So.
Oh, Switching to manual. Box missile. Got it. Okay.